let's talk about Stalker, a full-map tour, Shadow of Chernobyl locations, but created in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But fear not, fellow wanderer. Today we're embarking on an epic journey, a full-map tour to unveil every recreated Shadow of Chernobyl location within Stalker will enduring. You're ready for your next foray into the heart of the anomaly.
Stepping into the cordon again feels like coming home, doesn't it? From the humble rookie village where so many of our journeys began to the ever-present threat of the military checkpoint, the new Indian brings a fresh layer of grime and detail to these iconic spots. Just imagine seeing those old familiar shacks and trails, but rendered with unprecedented fidelity, making every rusted fence and swaying tree feel intensely real. It's a powerful hit of nostalgia, mixed with the chilling reality of a beautifully updated zone.
Adbhagurpurms underground, even the name conjures images of claustrophobic tunnels and unseen horrors. In Stalker, the recreation of these mutant-infested caheckums promises an even more terrifying experience. The shadows will feel deeper, the growls more guttural, and the tight corridors will amplify every creak and groan, ensuring that the dread you felt exploring them the first time is magnified tenfold by the new graphical prowess.
And then there's Pripyat, the ultimate prize and haunting monument to a lost world, the recreated city, with its iconic Ferris wheel and desolate apartment blocks, will surely be a breathtaking, yet chilling sight. We'll explore how the developers have painstakingly brought back the oppressive atmosphere of this dead city, leading us closer and closer to the colossal, menacing structure of the Chernobyl itself. Prepare for the ultimate visual and emotional climax. Finally, let's venture into the eerie quiet of Dark Valley, leading us down to the infamous Lab. This facility, a hub of disturbing experiments and grotesque discoveries, is set to be even more psychologically unsettling in Stalker. The way environmental storytelling and lighting are utilized will undoubtedly amplify the lab's inherent horrors, making every creaking door and distant moan a trigger for pure, unadulterated fear.